Hi, Miss Francis here again. I'm back with another video. So, what prompted me to do this one? When I looked back at our first formulated video, we did scrubs, 3 different types of scrubs. If you didn't look at that, go look at that. I'll have it linked down below. Then we did one about oils and what oils we should look for in facial serums, their benefits, what skin types they're suited for, and that kind of thing, because that's one of my next favorite products after scrubs, facial oils. Third, we formulated from scratch our very own facial oil serum for acne oily prone skin. And I used essential oils in that. So then I'm thinking, I need to do a video on essential oils for skin types, because this is a beginner series and right now we are covering oils. Essential oil is of key importance. All right, so that's the reason for this video here today. We're going to do essential oil for skin types. I'm going to start with mature skin, and I have 2 on my list for mature skin. Feel free to add it to your list if it's not already added to your list of essential oils. However, a lot of these essential oils are going to have many different purposes, so they're going to cover many different skin types. But I'm just putting them in categories more or less to suit me, so these are my preferences on where I think they are best suited. However, you're entitled to your own opinion here. You understand? Do your own research, put it in what category you think is best. But this is where I tend to use these particular ones and for those particular benefits. All right, so let's get started. Mature skin, essential oil, myrrh. Historically, myrrh have been used by Egyptian women for its anti-aging properties. It is rich in antioxidants and it promotes circulation. It gives the skin a more bright, youthful appearance. Rose oil has antioxidants, vitamin A and C, helps with cell turnover, which creates fewer lines and younger looking skin. Let's move on to essential oils for pigmentation. My favorite, carrot seed oil. It's very good for scarring and diminishing scars. Ylang ylang may help prohibit skin pigmentation. Tangerine, high in antioxidant, and it promotes more even toned skin. Pomegranate has antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that can promote healthier, more even toned skin. Essential oil for skin rash. Patchouli, it is known for reducing both pain and inflammation. Makes it good for eczemas. Eucalyptus have pain relieving qualities. Wintergreen, this is from the peppermint family, has similar properties as peppermint and acts as a soothing agent for painful skin rashes. Essential oil for acne prone skin. Lemon helps fight free radicals and inflammation. Tea tree oil fights bacteria and inflammation which can cause acne. It is the most notable antiseptic in alternative medicine. Cinnamon essential oil is a powerful anti-inflammatory because of antioxidant component like cinnamic acid, which fights nodules and pustules. Lemongrass has natural astringent properties. This helps fight pimples by acting as an antimicrobial while also removing excessive dead skin cells. Next, essential oil for sensitive and dry skin. Sensitive skin, however, can be dry or oily and come alongside other skin conditions like allergies and eczemas. Also, if you have sensitive skin, you would want to stay away from oils with highly acidic acid like lemon and lemongrass. So you will quicker want to try lavender, sandalwood, frankincense, chamomile. Sandalwood promotes moisture and reduces inflammation, while frankincense and lavender helps reduce redness and promote a moisture retention within the skin. They also repairs dry skin. Essential oil for oily skin, Neroli. Now you would have seen in the last video where I formulated the facial oil elixir for oily skin that I used Neroli. I personally love Neroli. I am not a fan of the smell of it, but it works really good for my oily skin. It helps with the breakouts, it helps with scarring. Neroli is a #1 reach for me when I'm thinking about oily skin. It helps balance sebum. Neroli is just really good. And if you don't have Neroli in your lineup, go get you some. Neroli contains citol, which helps balance sebum without over drying the skin. Geranium, another one of my favorites for oily skin, acne prone skin. For me, it stings me just a tad bit, but love it. It just dries up anything that you may have looking to break out. It just gets rid of it. You massage that in well. I prefer to use it more in the nighttime if I have it in an elixir or a cream, but I love geranium as well. So go try that one out. Geranium has alkaline properties, which is said to balance out oily skin. Rosemary. Now rosemary is known widely for its stimulating properties. It also has anti-inflammation properties, which makes it good for oily and acne prone skin. There is also clary sage, a go-to for controlling excessive sebum, and is very good for mature skin. Okay guys, so that was my list of essential oils for skin types. Feel free to add these to your list if you don't have them already. Message down and let's have a conversation flowing down in the comments. What have worked for you, what you have used it for, probably what percentage. Keep in mind we have derma limits for these things, and let's help each other grow. If I missed one that you really like, love and adore, tell me. Let me check it out. Let me see if I have it in my collection. Let's have a conversation about it. And as I always say, be nice and be kind to each other. All right? With that said, you know what I always say, let's formulate.